Hi, greetings from Vajag1.com. Aries horoscope today. It's time to hit the pause button, Aries. You've been racing against the clock to fulfill your commitments, but now, you've done all you can. Take this opportunity to reflect on your achievements and enjoy the fruits of your hard work. The stars encourage you to slow down and savor the moments you've earned. Health and wellness today. Your generous heart finds joy in nurturing others, but don't forget to nurture yourself. Your body has been craving rest and care, so listen to it. Treat yourself to delicious meals, catch up on sleep, and allow time for relaxation. Exploring cooking sessions or indulging in your favorite dishes might just be the motivation you need to prioritize your own well-being. Love and relationship today. Memories of past love may tug at your heartstrings today. Though you may feel a sense of disconnect with your partner or a past relationship, it's important to let go of regrets. Not every story can be rewritten. Accept things as they are and focus on the lessons you've gained from the past. Career and money today. The tides are turning in your professional life. After a few challenging days, you'll notice improvements in your work environment. Harmony with colleagues is key, so consider compromising when needed. A little flexibility will foster a more positive and enjoyable atmosphere, allowing you to thrive at work. Taurus horoscope today. Prepare yourself for an emotionally charged morning, Taurus. Planetary movements may make you more sensitive, leading to decisions influenced by your feelings. However, as the day progresses, you'll regain clarity and adopt a more practical mindset. By evening, you'll find yourself in a more balanced and composed state to handle matters effectively. Health and wellness today. Your heightened intuition today offers a unique insight into your well-being. Pay attention to any health-related thoughts that arise and prioritize actionable steps. Embrace a diet rich in fresh fruits and vegetables to boost your vitality. Trust your instincts but ensure to separate helpful insights from unnecessary worries. Love and relationship today. Romance is in the air. If you've been longing for intimate moments with your partner, today offers the perfect opportunity. Whether you plan a cozy time at home or a serene outing in nature, create an atmosphere of tenderness with soft lighting, calming scents, and a comfortable ambience. Cherish the love and connection that flourish today. Career and money today. Job seekers, stay alert. A promising opportunity may come your way, possibly from a field you hadn't considered before. Don't hesitate. Grab it and show your commitment and dedication. Avoid being swayed by unsolicited advice and instead focus on giving your best in any new role you take on. This could be the start of a rewarding journey. Gemini horoscope today. Today, old connections and experiences take center stage, Gemini. They may guide or influence decisions, adding depth to your current path. The pressure to excel in all areas of life may feel overwhelming, but remember, much of it stems from your own high expectations. Stay true to your beliefs, as honesty and integrity will prove invaluable in achieving long-term success. Health and wellness today. Your fluctuating moods today may be more linked to your diet and activity levels than external circumstances. Consider consulting a nutritionist to refine your eating habits and establish a healthier lifestyle. This will not only stabilize your moods but also boost your overall well-being. Small adjustments can lead to significant improvements in how you feel. Love and relationship today. New encounters today might redefine your understanding of love. These connections can help you discern between superficial attractions and genuine affection. This newfound clarity will aid in making wiser choices in relationships. Be kind and open-hearted toward everyone you meet, as each interaction carries potential for personal growth. Career and money today. Your meticulous approach and attention to detail at work will not go unnoticed. Expect acknowledgement and possibly significant rewards for your creativity, dedication, and sincerity. The day will be busy with professional commitments, but your energy levels will keep you motivated and content. Seize the opportunity to shine and pave the way for future achievements. Cancer horoscope today. Today, you may find yourself in a trusting and confiding mood, Cancer. While it's good to share your thoughts, be cautious about whom you choose to confide in. Not everyone has your best interests at heart. If you've been dealing with conflicts, whether at home or work, today is an excellent day to make peace. Extend an olive branch and work toward harmony in your relationships. Health and wellness today. Your determination to stay fit might face a small challenge today. After a rigorous workout, you may be tempted to indulge in high-calorie treats like chocolate cake. Try to opt for a healthier alternative that satisfies your craving without derailing your fitness goals. Staying disciplined with your diet will help you achieve your desired results more quickly. Love and relationship today. Take a step back and analyze the emotions that are triggering your reactions in your relationship. Avoid overreacting, as it will only complicate matters. To strengthen your bond, address the issues logically and with a calm mindset. Be prepared to face some truths about yourself as well. It's a necessary step toward growth and understanding in your relationship, career and money today. You're unstoppable, Cancer. Your talent and capabilities set you apart, so don't let criticism from others dampen your spirit. Most of it stems from envy rather than genuine critique. Hold on to your self-confidence, it's your greatest asset. Trust yourself, and you'll find success in whatever you pursue today. Remember, belief in yourself is the foundation of any victory. Leo horoscope today. Today, you might feel tempted to shoulder the blame for a friend's mistake, but think carefully about the potential consequences, especially if legal issues are involved. A life-changing experience may also come your way, leaving a lasting impact. On a lighter note, indulge your desire to stand out, consider refreshing your style with a new haircut or wardrobe. Health and wellness today. You're brimming with mental strength and determination today, Leo. The stars align to provide you with the willpower to take on any challenge. This is the perfect day to kickstart a rigorous health routine, as you'll find it easier to stick to your goals. Harness this energy to make lasting improvements in your physical and mental well-being. Love and relationship today. You may be yearning for a connection with a partner who feels distant, either physically or emotionally. While physical distance can be challenging, emotional barriers can be broken down with effort. Take the first step, set your ego aside and express your feelings. You might be pleasantly surprised by your partner's reciprocation, bringing you closer than before. Career and money today. Today, you may face significant expenses, but they'll be by choice rather than necessity. It's okay to indulge a little and reward yourself for your hard work. Treat yourself or someone close to you to something special. It's a good day to enjoy the fruits of your savings and celebrate life's little luxuries. Virgo horoscope today. Today is a day of new beginnings, Virgo. You may form meaningful new friendships and start fresh ventures that ignite your passion. Trust in your abilities, as your confidence will help you achieve your goals. This is the perfect time to plan for the future, but remember to stay mindful of your finances, spend only where necessary to maintain balance. Health and wellness today. You're bursting with energy and ready to take on physically demanding activities today. Whether it's sports or a fitness routine, you'll excel and enjoy every moment. While pushing yourself is rewarding, don't forget to nourish your body with a balanced diet to sustain this high energy level. Maintaining moderation will ensure your peak performance continues. Love and relationship today. Love is in the air, Virgo. You're likely to meet someone charismatic who might just become very special to you. The stars are aligned in your favor, making this a perfect time to enjoy the thrill of discovery and connection. Set aside your work worries and embrace this exciting phase. It could lead to a deeper, meaningful relationship. Career and money today. Today brings a flood of new opportunities in your professional life. From fresh projects to potential dream clients, the day is brimming with possibilities. You'll find yourself busier than usual but thriving under the challenge. Hard work will pay off, and the excitement of exploring these opportunities will keep you motivated and fulfilled. Libra horoscope today. You might feel a bit unsettled or confused today, Libra. While you're eager to tackle an important task, it's best to postpone critical negotiations or decisions for another day. Clarity will return by the evening, and the day will pass without any major disruptions. Travel is on the cards, but public transportation might face delays, so keep alternative options handy to avoid inconvenience. Health and wellness today. Passion and spontaneity will dominate your day. Despite recent restraint, your hidden fervor is set to emerge. Channel this energy into strengthening your bond with your partner through unexpected gestures or surprises. You'll discover deeper aspects of your personality while fostering a stronger connection with your loved one. Love and relationship today. Be prepared to offer patience and support in your relationship today. Your partner may be feeling stressed and might unintentionally direct that frustration toward you. Avoid retaliating and instead show understanding and compassion. This approach will pave the way for gratitude and tenderness to bloom, even if not immediately. Career and money today. Workplace dynamics may feel challenging today, with potential conflicts arising due to miscommunication or interference from colleagues. Instead of engaging, step back and let others' actions speak for themselves. Use this time to focus on your personal growth and professional development. Your efforts will pay off in the long run. Scorpio horoscope today. You're brimming with energy and determination to make impactful changes in your surroundings, Scorpio. However, take a moment for calm reflection to assess whether these changes are necessary. Your commitment to the projects you undertake will be unmatched, but letting others select the right tasks for you might yield better results. Your unwavering focus will drive you forward today. Health and wellness today. Stress may creep in due to overthinking and apprehensions. Counteract this by grounding yourself. Walking barefoot on the earth can help soothe your mind and body. Your eyes may also feel strained, so use gentle cleansing solutions and prioritize restful sleep to rejuvenate your overall well-being. Love and relationship today. Your partner is likely to offer you valuable advice today, which may be initially difficult to accept. Whether it pertains to finances, career, or family, consider their perspective with an open mind. Avoid defensiveness, as disregarding this insight could lead to future regrets. This thoughtful exchange can strengthen your bond. Career and money today. Your ability to learn from past experiences will shine at work today. Applying practical wisdom and quick thinking, you'll deftly resolve a challenge and avoid potential complications. This proactive approach will catch the attention of your superiors, possibly unlocking exciting new career opportunities. Seize these prospects with confidence and drive. Sagittarius horoscope today. Sagittarius, today is an excellent time to evaluate lifestyle changes that could help you strike a better balance between work and health. Consider reaching out to a trusted friend for advice on aligning your goals with purposeful actions. Connecting with the right people will help you gain clarity and achieve greater comfort in your pursuits. Health and wellness today. Recent indulgences in unhealthy food and frequent dining out may take a toll on your digestive system. Watch out for potential stomach discomfort or indigestion today. To recover quickly, adopt a balanced diet, increase your water intake, and pay extra attention to dental hygiene to prevent related issues. Love and relationship today. You may find yourself drawn to someone from a different cultural or international background, sparking an intense emotional and passionate connection. Time spent with this person will feel magical, overshadowing other daily concerns. This could evolve into something meaningful if fate aligns your paths. Career and money today. Your energy levels are at their peak, empowering you to achieve financial stability and success. Knowledge gained today will be instrumental in increasing your income and advancing your career goals. With hard work and determination, you have all the ingredients needed to secure your family's financial future. Capricorn horoscope today. Today, you may feel possessive about material things, but holding on too tightly may hinder your flow. Let go of unnecessary attachments and focus on finding clarity before making important decisions. If you've been considering a move, this is a great time to spread the word among friends and colleagues for opportunities. Health and wellness today. If you've been diligent about your health, today will be rewarding. However, steer clear of junk food, no matter how tempting it may be. Remember, it took significant effort to abandon unhealthy habits and adopt a better lifestyle. Don't let impulsive cravings undo your progress. Stay committed to your goals. Love and relationship today. You may meet someone who impresses you as a person but challenges your expectations. If you tend to evaluate relationships based on what others offer, take a step back. Love thrives on mutual sharing and understanding. Let go of demanding ideologies and embrace the simplicity of giving and receiving affection. Career and money today. Workplace challenges may test your patience today. Accusations of breaching trust could affect your communication with colleagues. Keep your cool and try to empathize with others' perspectives. By addressing their needs, you will soon regain favor and harmony in your professional relationships. Aquarius horoscope today. Monotony is your enemy today, Aquarius. Break free from the daily routine and bring some flair to your life. Try something new and invigorating. Fitness routines or recreational activities could catch your interest. Your creative ideas will impress your superiors, earning you recognition at work. Overall, it's a light and positive day, with moderate work pressure and plenty of opportunities to spread good vibes. Health and wellness today. It may be a trying day on the health front. You could experience unexpected reactions to medication or find yourself diagnosed with multiple health issues. However, don't worry, these concerns will soon fade with the right treatment. Consult a medical expert to ensure you're on the best path to recovery. Love and relationship today. Patience is key in your relationship today. Minor disagreements could escalate into major conflicts if not handled carefully. Keep your words in check and remember that silence may be your best ally. Avoid dwelling on small issues and focus on the good aspects of your relationship. It's just a temporary bump in the road. Career and money today. The time for change has come in your career, Aquarius. You've been feeling stuck for a while, but new opportunities will present themselves today. Embrace these exciting prospects. They will not only rejuvenate your career but also help alleviate the work stress that has been taking a toll on your health. Pisces horoscope today. Your positive attitude will serve you well today, Pisces. It will help you make wise decisions and take constructive actions, leading to long-term benefits. However, if anyone tries to provoke you into an argument, stay calm and present your point with confidence. You may also feel drawn to explore occult sciences or religion today, as your curiosity about deeper truths grows. Health and wellness today. While your physical health is good, your emotional state is a bit fragile. Any emotional stress could take a toll on you, as you are more sensitive than usual. It's important to address any accumulated stress before it affects your health. Avoid unnecessary drama or conflicts, especially those that hit close to home. Take time to nurture your emotional well-being. Love and relationship today. Today might find you in a more introspective mood, Pisces. You may become less approachable as you focus on self-reflection, which could make cultivating new or deepening old relationships difficult. However, you could receive a surprise visit or reconnect with someone from your past, offering a refreshing change from your solitude. Career and money today. You've been mindful about saving and budgeting, but today you may feel tempted to indulge in some extravagant spending. Be careful. It's crucial to manage your finances wisely to avoid potential problems down the road. Consider consulting a financial expert to guide you on your investments and help you make sound decisions. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe to get daily full horoscope updates.